How to clear sticker history of Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. And as you tap on your profile, you can see the option of settings as the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. So tap on the gear icon. Now just scroll down to the very end and here you can see the option of clear the search history. So tap on clear search history and tap on clear again. Then tap on clear cache and then tap on continue again. Now as you do that, you'll be able to clear all these recent searches regarding your stickers and your sticker history on Snapchat as well. Then tap on my data. And as you tap on my data, it will land you to a new page over here where you will be able to see all of your data. So if you want to download, you can download, but if not, you can just go back and you'll be able to clear the sticker history on Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.